Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna create this beautiful eyeshadow. If you are interested, please watch till the end and I'll show you how to create this beautiful look with the help of easy material. I draw in my cut crease area with the help of kajal, and after that I applied the eyeshadow, black eyeshadow on my eyelids, and after that I have taken the magenta eyeshadow from the Revolution Eye Palette, and I'm going to apply it on my eye center and will not touch the eye corner of the eye and the edges, and will focus on center. After that I taken the golden shimmer and I applied to my V line area. After that, in waterline, I apply the magenta eyeshadow and golden shimmer at the corner and kajal in my waterline area. After that, I have done with the mascara, and then I will apply eyeliner. After done with eyeliner, I have highlighted the corner of the eye, and this is the final result. Hope you like my video. Please, if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe, like my channel, and please share.